How to remove email address from Facebook. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your email address from Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Facebook application and then you're going to click on menu here at the bottom right. So if you're using Android devices, it might be that the menu option is at the top right, but it will depend on device to device. So simply head over to menu and then you're going to click on this gear icon at the top right and you will be redirected to settings and privacy. So you're going to click on see more in account center and then you're going to scroll down and click on personal details. Once you're here, what you're going to do is click on contact info. Click on your email and you'll be able to see your email over here. So you can click on add to another account or add any other email addresses you want. Simply click on delete email address and it will say you'll no longer be able to use this email address to log in. So you can reset your password or receive notifications. So you can simply head over, click on delete, and that's it. That is how you can remove email address from Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.